Hey there, everyone. It's Mike Thomas here. You guys know me as Mike from Maine. Today, we're going to be taking a look at a video I found. It's called Make Money Online Watching YouTube Videos Available Worldwide. And this is a video by a guy named Thomas Garrett's. It really caught my attention because it has almost 2 million views on it already. And this video was put up in 2020, and it's getting a lot of views on it. Over 129 people are watching this every single hour, and it's just one of those really popular things. And the idea that you could potentially go up there and make money online watching YouTube videos, and you can do it anywhere in the world, it sounds great. But is it too good to be true? I'm really curious if this is some like hypey thing that's not really possible, or if this guy is recommending something that anyone can actually do. Let's take a look at this video together. I'm really curious about what this is all about. So let's take a look. Let's give him a like. We can add on to his 148,000 likes, only 3.9 thousand dislikes on this. So more people like it. Let's take a look.
Literally make money online from doing what you're doing right now, watching YouTube videos. And the two most common questions I get in every single YouTube video is one, can I do this worldwide? And two, can I do this with no money to start?
That's the thing. No one wants to spend any money when they get started with any of these things. They want to get started and then make money. And of course, if they make some money, then they can reinvest it. But no one wants to spend any money online.
Which is why I chose this method today, because not only can you do this completely worldwide, but you can do this with absolutely no money to start. You just have to know how to do it, which I'm going to explain step by step. So make sure you watch every second of this video, because if you skip ahead or you leave early, you're gonna miss out on key steps that will show you exactly how to do this method. And if you stay until the end of this video, I'm also gonna show you a bonus method that can make you even more money online.
He's doing the typical YouTube stuff. He's trying to get us to watch the entire video to increase his engagement, increase his watch time, and to get him higher up in the rankings. He's doing a good job.
And if you like money and you're ready to get started, I just ask for one small favor. And all that is to go down below this video and smash that like button as hard as you can, because it really does help out this video and I actually really appreciate
We liked it. Make sure you like my video too. Don't forget, it really helps out my channel too.
it. But don't smash it so hard where you break the thumb like this guy did right here. You just gotta make sure you click it hard enough to turn it blue. That's all. Now, assuming you took the 2 seconds to do that, let's get started. All right, so like I said in this video, what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be making money just by doing what you're doing right now, watching YouTube videos. And it works like this. There's these things called social engagement websites. There's a ton of them out here. We're gonna use very specific ones in this video though. And how it works is we exchange our views on YouTube for points. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna exchange those points for social engagements on another website where a company actually pays us for that engagement. And you may be wondering, like, why would a company pay for social engagement? Or what even is that, right? So it's basically like if you have a Facebook post or a Facebook page or a YouTube video, if you have more engagement on that video, what it does is it tells the algorithm that that video or that page is better, and the algorithm actually pushes it out to more people. So that's just one of the many reasons why businesses or people would want more engagement on their posts or videos or page.
I mean, that makes sense. I mean, a lot of these companies are paying for likes and subscribers and Instagram followers and all that stuff. So these companies are willing to pay for views.
And if that sounds confusing at all, don't worry, because I'm going to show you exactly how to do everything step by step, and you can just follow along right with me. So the first website we have is right here. It's called addmefast.com. All right, so you might have to do a CAPTCHA when you first get to the website. It had me do it. You just had to like click on the planes or something, because this website is very specific about not letting bots on it, because a lot of people will try having bots do this thing so they can just make money for free and not do anything. So the nice thing about this website, which is why we're using it, is because it's actually all real people and no robots. So just keep that in mind.
I've never heard of this website before, Add Me Fast. It looks like you get points. I don't know. Maybe it looks legit.
All right, so once you're here, you're just gonna click try for free now. And then all you do is you put your email, your password, enter your password again, do your CAPTCHA, and then click sign up. And I've already created an account, but after you do that,
I'm curious if he's actually made money doing this himself. That would be something interesting to see if during this video here, he actually shows that he's made money doing this. That's always the thing that you can see. If like this person's actually made money doing it, then it makes me really believe in it more.
Something will pop up where it says you need to go to your email to confirm, and then all you do is you go to your email and click that link in your email and you're good to go. All right, so after you've clicked that link in your email, you'll end up on their homepage right here. And as you can see, there's a ton of engagement that you can do. Facebook likes, followers, all this stuff. And
It says something like get 999 points from each referral by participating in our affiliate program. Get free points by liking, following other pages, profiles, etc. Get unlimited points. 500 daily bonus points. Oh, it's whenever you have like this point system, it gets a little confusing. Like, what are the points actually worth, and what can you like transfer them for? What can you actually get for
you
them?
could try out the other stuff for other websites or other social sites, but for this example, we're going to go down to YouTube views and click that. So
Yeah.
after you click YouTube views, it'll bring you to this page. And as you can see, this video, 75 seconds for watching it, you'll get 20 points. And most of them are around that amount. So 75 seconds, 20 points. And then some will be like 150 seconds for 40 points. And then literally all you do is you click view video, and then the video will pop up
Hmm.
right here. And literally you'll see that this counter starts counting. Okay, so I'll just fast forward it to the end. All right, so we're almost at 150 seconds, and I should mention that you can just skip ads. This video didn't have any, but you can just skip ads, and the nice thing is you don't even have to sit here and watch, right? You could walk away, grab a snack, whatever. Now, it's past 150 seconds, so you can see it went up to 240 points just like that.
Yeah, I'm very curious what these points are worth.
And then sometimes after watching the video, you'll have to click on these two images to make them standing right side up. Again, this is because they don't want anyone who's a robot doing this. And then you'll just hit submit. But I'd suggest doing this until you have 1,000 points. And the reason being is I'll do a little math for you real quick. So if we open up my calculator, so you start at 200 points and you need to get 800 more to get to 1,000. All right. So assuming the videos you watch are 40 points for 150 seconds, and just like this, 75 seconds
I like that he's doing the math for me because I'm really bad at math.
for 20 points. Same thing. You just double it. It's 150 to 40 points. Okay. So 800 divided by 40. So 800 points is what we need, divided by 40, which is what we get for each video. That's 20 videos we need to watch. All right. So then if we multiply that by the amount of seconds each video is, so 20 videos times 150 seconds, that's 3,000 seconds for us to get those 800 points, which will equal 1,000 total points. Okay. So 3,000 seconds divided by 60 seconds in a minute, that's 50 minutes. All right. To get to 1,000. So the reason I did that math is because that 50 minutes, all right, I'm going to show you how with this simple method, you can make more than jobs will pay you for multiple hours, and depending which country in, maybe the entire day, and less than
He's got me interested in it so far. So he's got me interested in taking a look at this.
1 hour, all from the comfort of your own home. So make sure you keep watching, and you definitely don't want to miss this next part, because this is the website that's going to put it all together and allow you to actually make the money. So now that website is called playerup.com. And
Never heard of this website either. I don't know if you've heard of it as well, but I haven't heard of it.
again, just like the last website, you just got to click right here to sign up, and then you just got to create your free account. So literally, you just go no, create an account now, and you click sign up. Then all you do is fill out this information and you click I'm not a robot, or you can sign up with any of your social sites and then click sign up. And then it'll bring you to this page right now. You can either click their logo right here or just click return to the forum homepage. Now, similar to a lot of other websites out there, this is just another exchange type of forum website, and it's not all related to gaming, right? So if we scroll down to the bottom right here and then go right here to all other games/marketplaces, you're going to want to click that. And then you'll want to go right here to the letter F and click that. And then you just click on Facebook. And then once you're on Facebook accounts, you're going to want to go to Facebook likes. And you're probably wondering, like, how is this going to make me money? Like, what is going on? But I promise it will all make sense soon. So for example, you can see right here, Facebook page likes, $20 for 200.
So I don't understand right now, like why it's Facebook page likes and we just watch YouTube videos. So let's see.
Okay, you can see the thing is about this is there's a lot of people on here like selling some crazy numbers, right? Like you'll see this, like 2,000 high quality page likes for $23, 500 for $5, 1,000 for $10. And the thing about those is, yes, there are people selling it for way less and way higher, but the problem with those is a lot of the times they're either not going to deliver them or they're just going to be robots. See, that's why it's very important that we use Add Me Fast, because they're all real people. So let's just assume we're going to make one just like this person, $20 for 200 likes, okay? And honestly, you could probably sell it for anywhere between $20 and $50. Just put on the title when you create your post something like real people, not bots. And then all you would do to create your listing is just post new listing right here. And then you would just type in the title and do everything.
Again, I'm wondering if he's actually done this. Like, is this something that he's done, or is this something that's theoretical?
Like these people do. You could literally go back and you could just click on this person's forum post right here and then see how they did it and copy it. It's very, very simple. Okay. Now, the thing that puts this all together is when we go back to Add Me Fast. All right. And what you do is you click add site/page. Okay. And it's automatically on Facebook likes. Again, you could do this for many other things. If you find one that's more profitable, try it out. Totally fine. But if we go right here, the title is just for our knowledge, right? Like that's just to keep track of the different ones that we're running so we could go back and check them out, right? So you could just put something like 200 FB likes for name. And that could just be the person's name from Playerup, right? And then for page URL, that's where you would put their page to their Facebook post or Facebook page, okay? So you would enter that there, and then for total clicks, you would go on, and then you would just want 200, all right? We just want 200 clicks, okay? So then what you want to do is if you were doing this in, say, 2 days, you could do daily clicks 100, okay? And then this is the important part, cost per click. So that's the amount of points we're gonna give for each like. So we're going to change that to 5. All right.
So essentially, we're arbitraging our YouTube views. We're getting paid from the site back in Facebook likes, and we're selling those likes on the other platform. It's interesting. It's an interesting idea, but I'm really interested if someone has actually done this. If you've actually tried this, or you know anyone that's done it or whatever, please let me know in the comments below. I'm very curious about this.
So if we times 200 times 5, that's 1,000. So that's why I said that you should get 1,000 points first. And then all you do is you just click save changes and you're good to go. And then depending on how much ever you sold those likes for on Playerup, whether it was $20, $30, $50, whatever, that's how much you're going to make in 50 minutes. And let's just say it's a even 60. So 1 minute. That's more money per hour than you'll make at any starter job in the US and more than you'll make in most countries for an entire day.
It's a lot of money that you can make from doing that. I mean, it's an interesting idea. I don't know how many times you could do it. I don't know if you can do it over and over again. Could someone do this all day long and make money from it? I don't know. Someone would have to try this out. If you've done this, please, again, comment below. I really want to know.
Day, okay? So that's absolutely insane. And I mean, even though it's great working at home and not working at a job you hate, I know that feeling. But at the end of the day, you're still trading your time for money. And trust me, if you can get off your job and do this instead, it's awesome. But you're not going to get rich. And at the end of the day, again, you're trading your time for money. And no one wants to be doing that their whole life. At least that's how I felt when I was working at the job I hated. I hated going there every single day. So I took the time and I figured out how to get paid without having to trade my time for that money.
I was the same way. When I used to teach English, oh, it was awful. I would go in and I'd be like having like panic attacks just because I knew I didn't want to do it. I didn't want to be there and I hated doing it. I don't know if you have a job like that or if you've done anything like that before, but just trading your time for money like that, horrible. Hate it. I hope you enjoyed my video today on how to make money online watching YouTube videos available worldwide. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button as it really helps out. Hit that subscribe button as well. This method really seems like it could be something that anyone could do and make a little bit of extra money online. It looks legitimate. It looks like something that could actually work. Are you going to get rich from it? I don't think so, but it could be something that you could make a little bit of side income from. So again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next video. Thanks.